Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today we have a different style video. I'm not doing anything music festival related for this video. This is the Paqui One Chip challenge. It's supposed to be the hottest chip in the world, allegedly. And I will be consuming this one chip. The rules are simple. So I have a timer for 5 minutes. For those 5 minutes, I'm not allowed to eat or drink anything until the timer is up. Behind the screen I have some milk and stuff, so that's for afterwards. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a like, it'd be great. I appreciate all the support, guys, and have fun watching me eat this. So, it comes with the one chip, and it's got some other stuff in here. So, this says the Paqui One Chip Challenge Champion. Oh look, it's got a coupon for one of the bag chips too. So it says rules for the challenge: eat the entire chip, wait as long as possible before drinking or eating anything, and then post your reaction on social media, etc, etc. Cool. Sounds fun. What to expect? Round 1, a spicy punch to the tongue. Round 2, a fiery jab to the face. Round 3, impaired vision from tears. Round 4, a low blow to the gut. Round 5, KO. Okay. Alright, well let's open this puppy up. And it's black. You know what would be great with this? Some salsa. But I was told don't touch your face after you touch this stuff, so let me break it in half so it's easier to 3 pieces. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and start the timer. It's very powdery. Ooh. I did my best to not touch my tongue with it. Oh. I'm a big hot sauce guy, but goddamn. Where am I at? All right. Whew. Feel the tears already. Oh god, as long as 2 minutes ever. Oh god. Oh. Oh man, I'm kind of lightheaded. Oh god. So for everybody on YouTube, I also have my TikTok live on the right side. The screen's a little small, so I really can't see what you guys are saying, but once the 3 minutes are up, I'll go ahead and check the TikTok live. Oh. Woo. Oh god. I saw some YouTubers start getting hiccups, so I hope that doesn't happen. Oh god. Oh god, I'm lightheaded. Yeah. Oh, super lightheaded. Oh. Oh God. Whew. So what's my time at? Minute and a half. Oh God. Whew. 1 minute 20 seconds. There was this guy on YouTube, he didn't make a face at all during those 5 minutes. Woo, 40 seconds, let's go. Oh man. Got 10 seconds left. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. So like, I saw a YouTuber just running. Oh, yes. All right, well, thank you YouTube for watching. If you guys liked the video, subscribe. Love you guys. I just spent like 20 minutes. God damn it. Throwing up. Oh God. Oh fuck. So I came back to tell you guys to just don't do this challenge. So the mouth being hot, that was the easy stuff. I thought I was done with this video. No. 15 minutes later, 15 minutes later, my stomach starts hurting really bad, and I start throwing up, like legit. Spent minutes just throwing up, laying on the ground, like started shaking on the ground, like, oh my God, like. So yeah, I thought I had to like just record this and let you guys know like there was more. I think I'm feeling good now. Still a little shaky, but god damn, that was an experience. All right, now the video's over. Love you guys. Bye.